Today we're going to put together the prize wheel from WinSpin, and it's an adjustable unit. Here's the base. We'll start with that. And put this attachment in first for the base. Snap it in the spot. Put your first one in, and then we got to tighten it. Get it nice and solid. And the second pole goes on top there. And there's an optional dry eraser and marker spot for it. You can put right in here. Make sure you line up the holes. This is the front of the board, so you put that there. Nice and tight. You can attach this to the back. And we're going to assemble the wheel. We first want to take off the plastic. And there's a plastic coating, protective coating. We'll take that off. And it comes with these pegs. And we just screw the pegs on. Pretty easy to screw on by hand. Okay, now we're going to install the board. I have it in line here in order how it goes. Here's the base bolt. Stick it through. Then the first washer. Second washer. Now these washers are different. This one's a flat one. This one's a rigid one, so it's going to lock it in place. And the next flat washer. And then the plastic washer goes in there. Now it's ready to go on the pole. And put the final washer on and the nuts. Tighten it up. pretty good. All right, now we're going to install the top. Comes with two different, your choice of different fingers to use. We're going to go with the one that it came with. Just put that right on top. Make sure it hits good. And just hand tighten it. Pretty easy. And put the final touches on. There we go. And that's how it works.